What's up, guys? Welcome back to RedBeard Survival and Outdoors. As you've seen from that short, we did get the cabin slash shed moved. It is here. Still got to get it leveled out. But today we're going to take a tour of it. She got pretty messed up on the way over. That's my fault. I didn't get anything out. Told them not to worry about it. Like I said, 100% my fault. Not them. They did a terrific job. I still need to get some stuff done on the outside, get more the molding for this side from where I put the door in, probably go back and repaint this door, make it look a little bit better. But other than that, she's here, so let's take a look at it. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. From right here up, need to get that redone. Get this redone. Like I said, I was in the middle of doing this at the other place and just had personal issues come up. So, you know, stuff happens. The door here, I want to get a new stripping for the bottom. Go back, sand this down on the corners a little bit, repaint all that. Repaint the top. Like I said, this framing here was from the old doors that were here before this one. Now these come with the double doors where you opened up, but on the inside, like I said, it's had some stuff fall and whatnot, but that fell too. Like I said, it's 100% my fault, not their fault. So what I'm going to do today is get all this stuff cleaned up, go back over a bunch of stuff in here. Got the floors done ish. I still have a strip on the back side that needs to be done, but that's not a big deal. I do have power in here. I had to pick up 200-foot extension cords. Barely made it to the generator where the camper is, which the camper is all the way over here behind everything. But that's on the agenda for today. Hang tight. All right, so they just got done getting it completely leveled. It was off a little bit, but, you know, being on a hill, you're going to get that. So let's take a look at the outside, how unlevel it was. So the front is actually on the ground. Then you got the back that is, well, it's there. So, but it's blocked. I'm going to go back over later on and put a skirt on it. So, I think what we're going to do now is get the inside cleaned up because it needs it. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 2. We're heading out to the property to finish getting things cleaned up. This is day 2 for you, but this is actually like day 3 since I've been out there. Did clean up a little bit last time, didn't want to bore you with it, but I do want to go over a few things what I'm going to be doing in there and just show you what the inside looks like. I'm pretty proud of it. So I'm going to hang the old deer head in there today. So hang tight. All right, y'all, we're back out here. Got it cleaned up a little bit ago. Still have this area to clean up. That I got put back together. It's not doing bad now. And then back here, it's going to be a bathroom later on down the road, but there's a few things I want to do. I want to get a electric panel put in here for the electric, and there's a few other things I wanted to do in here, but yeah, hang tight. I'll turn you around and let you see the rest of it. So there's really not much to this. We drywalled it, painted it. That's a spider. Little friendly guy there. But painted it. I made these boards here out of the 1x, burn them down. Everything else, yeah, this is going to be the bathroom in here. I'm going to have an electrical panel in the center to run the whole place. We got the refrigerator, microwave, electrical outlets in here. This does have the flooring in it. It is a scratch proof, waterproof. The boarding that we use for the drywall, as you can see here, is the green board. That way we did not get moisture. It's moisture resistant. But yeah, this thing took a tumble. It's broke here and up here. But you know, it is what it is. It's all right. It's for the cabin. It's not brand new, perfect anyway. Got my chair in here, so that's probably going to be either going away. I'm not sure yet. But the plan is for here. Let me turn it back around and we'll talk about it. So the plan for in here was always to have something out at the other property when we first got the other property. But with us getting the new property, this place is going to be literally my office for RedBeard Survival and Outdoors. Yes, we are going to turn this into a business, hopefully. We'll see. But this is going to be the main office here at the property. At home, it'll be down in the office. But here, this is going to be the spot. We are going to hopefully, or I am going to hopefully turn this into a nice little studio while I'm here. Yeah, look at that guy. That was from last year. Hopefully turn it into a studio here. So, you know, just to get things going. That way I can do what I need to do while I'm here. I love being out here. At the other place, I really wasn't, what's the words I'm looking for? I liked it, but I really didn't want to be there all the time. Here, I don't ever want to leave. But that's the plan for this. I did get lights put on the outside. I'll show you guys that here in a second. But yeah, we'll turn you around, take one more look at it, and leave me in the comments what you guys think how I did this. Now, this was a 16 by 12 or 12 by 16 garden shed. It did have the garden doors on it. Took them off, put this door on, which is nice. Locks everything. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and I'll turn you around one more time and take a look at it. Now here on the outside, I did a little bit more work when you guys were gone. Had my security camera up, solar panels going. I added that light. That one on the corner is going to come down, and I call these my Hillbilly lights. Those are the ones you usually see in camper grounds and everything else. But yeah, then I got the solar panels that I'm going to hook up top here in a little bit, just to get back to being off-grid, because I need to get a different box for in here for my power source, for power station. Haven't figured that out yet. If you are a power source company like EcoFlow or anything else, because that's what I use now is EcoFlow Mini, if you would like to sponsor a video, get a hold of me. But as for me, stay at the ready. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.